Athens, Tennessee. Northbound. Norfolk Southern. Right behind the Athens Hospital. Oh, this is good timing. Oh, there comes a pretty blue car. That zoomed in a little bit. Here comes a brand new car. Wow. A lot of glare on that one. There's another blue car. Man. Somebody's doing some upgrading. Oh, DPU, all right. That's from a wide world of trains, buddy. Oh, here comes some brand new cars. Wow, this is a long one. I'd hate to be the conductor. I want to get me a scanner so I can get close to a defect detector. Oh, here comes Ian. Well, okay, friends and neighbors. This is Meigs County Railroad in Athens, Tennessee. Y'all be well.